Hey, stop. Before you scroll, give me 2 minutes, because the AI app you're using right now may not be giving you real AI model access. You may click a button that says GPT, choose something called Claude, or see Gemini, Grok, or DeepSeek inside a dashboard. But are you really using the actual models? Or are you just getting cheaper, weaker AI models hiding behind a fancy name? Behind the scenes, many AI tools use cheap wrappers instead of direct model access. Unofficial or unstable API connections, lower quality or entirely different AI models. And the worst part, you never even realize it. You think your prompt is bad, but many times the real problem is simple. You're not using the real model you think you are. That's why we built something different. Introducing RealModel AI, a powerful AI dashboard that gives you access to the world's top AI models, powered by official APIs. No fake models, no tricks, no API bills. Current plus future models included. Inside RealModel AI, you can access ChatGPT models, GPT 5.4, GPT 5.3 Codex, GPT 5.2 Pro, GPT 4.5, Claude models, Claude 4.6 Sonnet, Claude 4.5 Sonnet, Claude 4.5 Haiku, Claude 4.6 Opus, Gemini models, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Gemini 3.2 Pro, Gemini 3 Flash, Grok model, Grok 4.2, Grok 4, Grok 3, DeepSeek models, DeepSeek V3, all from one clean dashboard. No switching between different platforms, no separate logins, no complicated API setup, no confusing billing systems. Just log in, choose your model, enter your prompt, and get real results. Use RealModel AI to create emails, sales copy, blog posts, ads, video scripts, social media content, business ideas, research summaries, code, client work, and marketing plans. And here's why this matters. If you buy access directly from each AI company, the cost can add up fast. Many premium AI accounts cost $20 to $200 per month. Even at just $20 each for 5 accounts, that's $100 per month, or $1,200 per year. And if you need higher tier access, it can become much more expensive. But with RealModel AI, you don't need multiple subscriptions. You don't need API keys. You don't need separate API bills. Everything is simplified inside one powerful dashboard. Using it is simple. Step 1, log in to RealModel AI. Step 2, choose your real AI model. Step 3, enter your prompt and get real results. That's it. No technical setup, no learning curve, no platform confusion. Whether you want to write, research, code, brainstorm, plan, or create, RealModel AI gives you the power to do it faster from one place. And the best part? You get lifetime access to all models, including future releases. No fake models, no tricks, only real AI powered by official APIs. No API bills. Plus, your purchase is protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try RealModel AI. Create content, test the models, see the difference for yourself. If it's not right for you, just let us know within 30 days. No stress, no complicated process. So now the decision is yours. You can keep using random AI apps. Keep guessing what model is really running. Keep switching between scattered tools, or activate RealModel AI today. And finally access real AI models from one powerful dashboard. Real models, official APIs, one dashboard. Click the button below and get started now.